Bernard, you're going to get paintless dent repair, complimentary for 6 months, and by the way, you can extend that coverage out to 5 years.
Now, Steve, why in the world would I want paintless dent repair?
A good question. I'm going to guess that sometime in the past, you have parked a car somewhere where some rude son of a gun dinged or dented your vehicle. Has it happened?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Look for the person.
Yeah, right.
Nothing.
Chances are.
Yeah, very frustrated, right?
Yeah, look, people get mad. It's happened to all of us. And by the time you've had your car 3, 4, 5 years, you've probably got 8, 9, 10 dings or dents.
Right.
However, have you ever looked into what it would cost to get one of those little dings or dents the size of a dime fixed at a retail paintless dent repair place?
No.
Nobody ever does. They're 50 or 60 bucks for some of the smaller ones, up to 150 for some of the bigger ones. However, you do end up paying for every one of those little dings and dents eventually. You know how?
I suppose when I trade it in, they're going to bring my value down.
Whether you trade it in or you sell it outright, whoever buys it is going to assess the condition of your vehicle, and dings and dents dramatically impact the price that they will pay you. So what will paintless dent repair do for you? Number one, it'll keep your car better looking. I'm going to guess that would be okay with you.
Yep.
And number two, it's just liable to increase your resale value, and I'm going to guess that would be okay with you as well.
Yep.
Okay, again, complimentary for the first 6 months. Check with one of our business managers. They'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 5 years.
Okay.
Okay? I mean, that's what you really need to do to create some value in paintless dent repair. I mean, before I started this gig, I've known about paintless dent repair all my life. I never gave it a second thought. I never saw any value in it. But I've gotten dings and dents. Bob, do you think when I got rid of my car, someone deducted for those?
I did.
The problem is we don't line item it on our appraisal sheets. We should. CarMax does. I mean, they'll put minus $450, 7 dings and dents. So people get it.